Hi guys, welcome back. Before we start this tutorial, we'll quickly go through what we have covered so far in so many series. So many videos. This is covered. This is covered. Entries, freeze, form entries, descriptor and descriptors, get one property name, symbols. In last video, we have covered get one property symbols. So we this is remaining get property prototype of has zone is covered is extensible is frozen is sealed keys length and name you can study by yourself. It will just give the name of here it will return object, it will return one. Prevent extension prototype. So prototype, let's talk about prototype and set prototype as well as get prototype. So in this thing we can cover three property methods. Okay, so we have an object here. If you expand it, you will see there's something called prototype. What is this? That we can definitely have a discussion later on, but for now just understand in this we have couple some of the properties available here, right? And let's say if you want to create some object with this, I just want the prototype to be here in this object. So for that we can use get prototype of, and we can use object. So in ob1 you will see we are only having those things which we show it here, right? Okay, now it would also have prototype here so that you can see it here. Since we have not set prototypes, that's why it's not so. All right, so let me do one thing to explain. I'm just resetting this object for now. Okay. So if you type one, it will have features of the prototype, all right? But it is empty, that's fine. And so now I want to set it prototypes with something else, and we'll provide the object one, and we want to set the prototype. So its prototype will be these things. Okay, if you remember object dot create, this is more like a similar thing. So in object one we added object properties as prototype, right? So in create this happened the same way. If you want to create an object with some other object, like here in create we don't need this parameter, so we'll be directly assigning that. So this will happen. Similarly in object dot prototype, that is an instance method. So in object dot prototype, okay, all right. So what we are remaining here is object dot prototype. So we'll have to check like how this thing is work. So is this a method, is this a property? So just explore it more and see what it shows. So this prototype property will have on every uh, type of variables. So explore more about it. We can discuss this in details when we will talk about prototype. So that's all from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.